Hey everybody, this is Brian with Vermillion Enterprises. Today is May 12th, 2025. I've been extraordinarily busy this morning working on packages and another project. Been in since 5 o'clock this morning grinding, and so now it's about 8 a.m. on Monday, and we're getting ready to get our day actually started here. So I thought we'd do a premiums and inventory update. Not really much to talk about that with regards to premiums and updates in the way of changes from last week. Everything's hanging on. What has happened though? China and the United States are starting to warm up on the tariff talk. So we're seeing significant movement this morning so far in the international markets with regards to gold. Silver's moved a little bit. Silver's pretty much an afterthought for most people at this point anyways, but the real market is gold. So gold right now is about 3,225. It's down about 3% as of right now. When the US market opens, it can be very interesting day to day. So we'll definitely keep things updated. On that note, if the market starts moving very volatilely, like up and down, like we see real big swings, especially if we see downward movement, expect changes in premiums. We reserve the right here at Vermillion Enterprises to change our premiums on the fly as the market changes. So you may come into the shop in a day or two, or may call up to make a purchase order, and the premiums may be different if we see significant movement in the market. So just keep that in mind. We 100% reserve that right. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. All right, we're going to run down our premiums real quick here. No changes. I'll give you updates on inventory levels, but right now, fractional gold, 1/10 ounce gold eagles, we're still buying at plus 3%, melt plus 3, selling at melt plus 10. Quarter ounce gold eagles, we're buying at melt, selling at melt plus 7%. Half ounce gold eagles, we're buying at melt minus 1%, same as 1 ounce gold eagles, and we're selling half ounce gold eagles, but I think I'm actually out of these. If I have any, we're selling them at melt plus 3%. But I do believe I got cleaned out on Saturday from these. We do have 1 ounce gold eagles in stock. They are plus 3%. 1 ounce gold buffaloes, we are still buying them at plus 1%. I do not know how much longer that's going to last. We are selling them at plus 4% right now. We do have those in stock. 1 ounce gold, or I'm sorry, foreign gold. Regardless of size, we buy it at 98%, either a spot or melt. So that includes your 1 ounce gold, maple leafs, Krugerrands, Philharmonics, pandas, kangaroos, nuggets, all that type of good material. Also the fractional foreign gold, such as sovereigns, ducats, coronas, francs, marks, pesos, lira, any of that I'm missing, we buy that at 98% of melt. Bars up to 100 grams in size, we buy those at 98% of spot or 98% of melt, whichever makes sense for the piece. $5 and $10 gold commemorative coins from the United States Mint, 98% of melt. Don't care if they're raw or graded. Also raw pre-33 gold, 98% of melt. Even a bunch of slab pre-33 gold is going to the fire right now. So we're buying at 98% melt. So it just depends on the pre-33 gold, what the grade is and what it actually is. Platinum, 1 ounce platinum eagles, I'm buying them at spot plus $90 per ounce. I'm actually out of those right now. All right, so no platinum eagles in the house. I'm not sure if I have any platinum. I think we sold out of all the platinum maple leafs last week. But we'll keep you updated on that as things change. I expect real volatility in today's market. I expect it to go up and down today. I wouldn't be surprised if we see an overall trajectory down with significant movement, but I think it's going to be very volatile today. So this is why I have been liquidating, turning and burning all of the gold as fast as I can. I've got the least amount of gold I've ever owned in the last 10 years right now because I'm expecting this market change. I've talked about that with you guys. If they get onto a full agreement between China and the United States with this tariffs, I expect significant downward movement. We will see though, we're all in the same boat together. I don't have a insider knowledge on it. That's just my gut. And throughout my career, my gut's been pretty spot on. All right, let's talk about silver, Tim. Silver right now is down Not as much as gold. I think it's down 1 to 1.5% right now. It's around $32.40 when we start this video. I expect to see movement with silver. We're still sitting at about 100 to 1, but I don't think it's going to move like gold does. I think, or like gold will do. I think silver is going to be a little bit more stable over the next week or so during this tariff situation. But of course, we're going to keep our eyes on it. We'll keep you updated on our premiums. Again, we reserve the right to change our premiums as the market changes. We will we'll make videos as we see things really moving with regards to premiums or inventory. All right, retail friendly American Silver Eagles. We are buying them at +2, the spot +$2 per ounce, and selling them for spot +$4 per ounce. That's for solid date retail friendly tubes of American Silver Eagles. That means that you got a tube, there's 20 coins in a tube, they're all the same date, and they don't have milk spots on them or surface abrasions. They're not colorized, they don't have overtoning, overstaining, any of that type of condition issues. They're what we consider retail friendly. Off quality Silver Eagles, so coins that are not solid date tubes, that are partial tubes, that are scruffy, that have scratches, that have milk spots on them or colorized. We buy those at the spot price of silver, and we sell them at the spot price of silver +$1 per ounce. We're out of processed off quality Silver Eagles, but I took in a boatload of them last week, so we're in a process of processing them and getting them ready for market. So hopefully in the next day or two, we'll have a bunch of off-quality Silver Eagles available here in the shop. We don't ship them because we literally sell out of these on a daily basis. So it is just an in-shop only purchase. If you want us to ship retail-friendly Silver Eagles, we'll do that. We're at the spot price of silver +$4 per ounce. Generic silver. So this is going to be silver from 1 ounce, well, really all the way up to 100 ounces in size. We buy at the spot price of silver -$1 per ounce. Now 1 ounce, 5 ounce, 10 ounce, we sell at the spot price of silver +$1 per ounce. Kilos, if I had them, would be at +50 cents. I'm out. 100 ounce bars would be at +50 cents, but I am out. I'm pretty much just dumping that stuff on the refinery as soon as it comes in. As soon as 500 ounces, really as soon as about 300 ounces comes in, I dump it. Just get rid of the material as fast as I can. We took in I don't know, probably 10, 12,000 ounces of silver last week, and I'm just dumping as fast as I can. We got big boxes going out today, heavy boxes going out where it's going right to the refinery. So, and a lot of the silver that came in was from viewers watching our YouTube videos, and we greatly appreciate all the business guys. And on that note, I am staying 100% ply with money for you guys and gals. I am not undercapitalized. I understand what's going on in the market. I understand that people are fed up with silver and they're wanting to get rid of it. I get it. They want to turn it into gold. I get it. That's what the majority of my Saturday was. Saturday was a booming day, and a large part of that was because people were coming in and trading large amounts of silver for gold. I totally 100% get it and agree with it. So we're going to keep moving that out, keep moving and cycling that money and getting it ready for you guys and gals to convert it. We're happy to do so. We're going to keep moving it. I'm going to keep my premiums as tight as I can for you. Junk 90%, we buy it at the spot price of silver -$1 per ounce, and we sell it for the spot price of silver +50 cents per ounce. If you're unsure about how to calculate the time-space value of junk 90, please, if you're unsure off of how to calculate the time-space value off of the premiums, check out that video that Tim has pinned to the top of his channel. Also embedded as a link in the description of this video. If you're wanting to trade, whether you're buying or selling junk 90, you got to know how to do it. It's not hard. It's real simple. Anybody can do it. All right, coal dollars. We got coals in the shop. Yes, we're well stocked on these. I'm still buying them at 26 and selling them at 28. They are random. They are piece dollar mixed with Morgan dollars, all common date material, of course, but they are 100% random. So we are Vermillion Enterprises. We are open Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Saturdays, we're here at 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. And we're ready for business, guys and gals. If there's anything we can do for you, please come on into the shop, reach out to the shop. We will be happy to help. And today, I think it's going to be a wild day in the market. So get ready. You guys have a great day. Thank you.